When you're in an emergency, you need answers and you need them fast. The new Get Carter app provides easy access to emergency tools and helpful resources that can help you to safety in the event of an accident. Joining me now to fill us in is Carter Mario. Welcome back to the show. It's nice to have you here.
Good morning.
You mentioned last time it was in the works, and now this Get Carter app is up and running.
It is, and we're very excited about it. It's been a huge success. It's the only app that I'm aware of that provides in one spot accident tools in the event you do get in an accident. It's got everything in front of you. So I can walk you through it, or...
No, let's get right to it, because this is very handy, and the best part about it, it's free.
It is. It's free to anybody. You can go to the getcarter.com site or either the app
the store, right?
Store at Apple and Droid. But the neat thing about it is it tells you, it walks you through everything that you should or should not do when you get in a car wreck. And, you know, I'm a veteran of this sort of thing. I've been doing this 25 years, yet when I get hit, you know, you panic.
You don't know what to do first.
Exactly.
And there are
so
important things that you have to
This brings
remember.
it all into focus, tells you what to do and what not to do. The capture accident data, if you're not able to write for some reason, it's got a recording feature where you can actually record.
We just press that red button and get all the information you need right there.
You record as long as you want. That's a really neat feature. The other thing that is really neat about this is we have a taxi cab icon. And this provides a taxi cab service, but what we have extended beyond this is anybody that has this app, as part of our outreach program with our Arrive Alive scholarship and distracted driving, we felt it important to put this app, this component in the app. If you find yourself in a situation where you're not comfortable driving, if you've been either drinking or whatever the reason, if you don't feel safe driving, you hit that app, that spot on the app, it'll call the taxi cab for you, they'll pick you up, they'll take you home, and I'll pay for it.
Oh, that's an added bonus, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's consistent with our Arrive Alive scholarship campaign that we do, so it's important to us, we feel, as a business, to provide something, give something back to the community, and that's been very popular also.
And I think it's important you could call 911 right from the app.
You can.
In case you panic, it's the option. It's the first option right there.
911, you can find the nearest hospital, you can get a tow truck, then it capture accident data, so it walks you all through here. And the last thing I want to mention, Teresa, is if you have this app, and if you are a client of ours, there's another spot here that's just for clients that will allow you direct access to your file.
Wow.
And over the years, we've seen that although lawyers in general, I think we do a very good job as an industry, but one of the things that we've noticed over the years is the legal profession has a low service threshold. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of complaints about lack of communication, and we decided that we had to do something to eliminate that bottleneck, and it's on this app. So this will give you direct access to your file 24 hours a day at your leisure, and you will always have the status of what we're doing on your file.
That's terrific. What has the reaction been so far to the new app?
Pretty overwhelming.
I bet.
Yeah, it's been received well. If you're a client, they love it because they can access their file any time of the day, which is really a breakthrough. And as far as people that are using it, parents really like it with having their kids download it, because that feature with the taxi cab ride has been very popular.
Now there's also a link there, what to do when you get into an accident. We have some time if we can go through some of the details there. Obviously you want to call 911 so you get some sort of report.
Correct. We have captured accident data. 10 things to do. Well, the first thing is you want to stay calm, which is very hard to do.
Right.
But you got to read this and say, okay, I'm going to stay calm. You have to check for injuries and call an ambulance if you need one, and that's on here. Move your car safely, if you can, out of the roadway, and put your hazard lights on. Call 911, exchange information with the other driver, take pictures of both cars, be polite, do not admit fault, even if you were at fault.
So you don't want to say that?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry, I was texting.
Correct. You don't want that. Only state the facts that are necessary, the data. Don't leave the scene until the police show up, and then go ahead and start your treatment. Notify your insurance agent.
That's so helpful,
like,
just in itself.
There's 10 things right here.
Right, and there's so many other features. So it's a free app. You can get it on your website. You can get it from the App Store. Lots of options there. Let's put the information up on the screen. Carter Mario Injury Lawyers, they're located in Milford, Hartford, Waterbury, Bridgeport, and New Britain. You're all over the state, aren't you? And for more information, you can go to getcarter.com or call toll-free 1-800-900-6700. Again, thanks for being here, and thanks for the app.
Thank you.
All right, coming up next, executive chef Silvio Supa shares all his inspired dishes. That's when Connecticut Style returns. Don't go anywhere.